everyone. Travis here, Rods and Mods. We got right here Speedtech Extreme Chassis for a 57 Bel Air. This is a torque arm chassis. Been waiting for this for a little while. We're about to get started on this project. We've been waiting to get this project started for quite a while now. Got our chassis in, got our motor in, our transmission in. All the components for the chassis are back there on the shelf, you can see. And this is the beautiful car it's all going into. Check it out. 57 Bel Air post. We are doing an entire tear down, strip down to the ground, start over on this car. The only thing left will be the metal. So we are going to put that extreme Speedtech chassis into it. Our 6.2 LS3 GM Performance 525 horsepower motor with a 6L80 transmission. This thing's going to be a beast. It's going to be beautiful. So, not going to spare anything on this car. The guy wants a complete restoration or a resto mod done on this car. So follow us on this journey as we build this car. Currently, this car has a small block Chevy motor in it. Still a pretty car, runs good. He loves the car, but this guy wants to take it on a trip with his family up Route 66, and he wants something reliable, and he just wants to have something that he can pass to his grandkids for generations to come. And so he's not sparing anything. He wants to just go all out on this car, which I love, because I love starting from the ground and building up with new everything. That's really the only way I like to do it here. New everything. Old metal, new everything else. So, stay tuned for the journey. It's going to be a beautiful car when it's done. We're really excited about it. We've got, actually everything for this car is in the shop. For, I would say, 99% of the things that are going in this car is already in the shop. We've already purchased it. All the parts for the chassis are back there. All the rest of the parts that go in the car are in our storage area. And later this week, we're going to get started. We're going to sandblast this thing down. We'll video all this for you. We're going to video this entire journey of this car. So we'll live stream as much as we can. We'll probably live stream the teardown, the sandblasting, the assembly of the chassis, all of that. So stay tuned and check it out, and like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. We got a lot of cool stuff coming, not just this vehicle, but we got a lot of cool projects and a lot of other cool things going on. So alright guys, got all of our components for our chassis right here. Torque arm, this is a torque arm chassis. We got a Dutchman rear end with True Track, phenomenal, love it. Of course we got Wilwood disc brakes, one of the best out there. I absolutely love Wilwood disc brakes, I put it on most things. QA1 is going to make all the components, all the A-arms and control arms and everything. All the suspension is done by QA1 and Speedtech. And this is going to be one really cool chassis and ride when it's done. Just watch the whole journey, guys. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be going into detail of how it goes together. We'll live stream the build of the chassis for you. Really would love to hear from you guys. If you have comments, questions about any of the process along the way, love to hear from you guys. Stay tuned for the build.